Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can update EF Sports Companion app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So when you update your EF Sports Companion app, you'll get the latest features that comes with this app. You'll also be able to fix any issues that might be associated with your app. Now, to update your app on Android smartphone, go to Google Play Store and then using the search bar, search for your app. Or if you don't see the search bar, you should see a search icon down below. Tap on it to activate search. Just search for companion app like that. And if you run search, now you can see we have our EA Sports Companion Sports FC is here. And as you can see, we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of this app. To update, tap on update. And the latest version of EA Sports FC Companion app will be downloaded and installed on your smartphone. Now from here, you can start playing by tapping on play to start using the latest version of FC Companion app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.